Hello and welcome to this look at using the Close Activity Maker in Vocabulary Worksheet Factory. We'll start by selecting Close in the list of text activities, which will create a new document along with an initial paragraph of text. The first step in creating a close activity is to select the text we want to use, and for that we go to the text editor. With this handy built-in text editor, we can create or edit a text file or open one that we have previously saved. In this case, we'll open one of the default text files that come with the program and then click OK. The next step is to remove some of the words in our selected text, and to do that we open the Close editor. The quickest way to remove a set of words is to use the auto remove. Simply select the increment that the words will be removed in. If we select 8, every 8th word is removed if it complies with our minimum word length, which in this case is 5 letters. Notice that the words that have been removed are listed in the removals box. If we click OK, we have our closed activity ready to go. The words that were removed are listed below the text in a word bank. And we can view the answer key at any time by selecting Show Key on the command ribbon. There are several ways we can make our close activity even more challenging. One way is to make use of the word bank jumbles options. For example, we can display the letters of the words in reverse order. Now, let's look at another way to remove words from our text. We'll select the Close editor again and reset our text to its original form. And then we can just double-click each word we want to remove. We can even remove groups of words or phrases by highlighting the words and then clicking the Select button. Or even parts of words. This removal technique can also be used in conjunction with the auto removal. We select our increment and then remove any additional words we want. We can also add an extra degree of challenge by adding distractor words, and these are extra words that show up in the word bank but have not actually been removed from the text. And then we'll click OK. Once again, our close activity is ready to go. We might at this point decide we'd like to adjust the minimum length of the answer lines, which we can do by setting the answer line length in the options pane. If we select 1, the lines will be at least 1 character in length, which means that line length will match the word length, providing visual cues for selecting the correct words. Or set the length to 12 to remove the cues. Now, one more word removal technique. Open the Close editor again, reset our text, and this time we'll specify particular words for which we want all instances of those words removed. For example, type the word her in the specified remove box and click Remove, and 7 instances of the word her are removed. Or we could populate our list of specified removals by opening a previously prepared list. For example, we can open a list of conjunctions. And click Remove, and all instances of those conjunctions are removed. There's also an option to provide hints. For example, select the first letter hint, and the first letter of each removed word will be displayed. And there's an option to remove the numbering if we prefer. And then we click OK, and our close activity is ready to go. As we've seen, the close generator in Vocabulary Worksheet Factory is a fast and easy way to create close activities and tests from any text. And don't forget that the same text can then be used to create 7 other text activities. And of course, there are also activities for word lists and sentences. It's a complete vocabulary enrichment package. Thanks for watching.